Welcome to Linux Help. Today we see about how to install Drupal CMS on Linux Mint 20. Drupal is a web content management tool as well as customizable platform to help you to build the right tool to serve your content management strategy. Business and technology leaders use Drupal to create real-world enterprise solutions that empower web innovation. This tutorial covers the installation of Drupal CMS on Linux Mint 20. First, I am going to check the version of Linux Mint. My Linux Mint version is 20. I already installed the LAMP service. Now move into download the Drupal CMS. Before that, I have installed the PHP and its models. The PHP is installed. Now move into download the Drupal CMS package. For that, now create a database for Drupal CMS. Now create a database for Drupal CMS. Now create a user. The database is created. Now download the Drupal CMS package by using wget command. The package is downloaded. Now extract the package. Now move the Drupal CMS directory to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership and permission of Drupal directory. Now set the permission. Now configure the virtual host for access the Drupal CMS. Here I have to enter the some lines to drupal.conf file. Now quit and save the file. Now disable the default site access. Enable the site access for Drupal CMS. Enable the rewrite module. Now restart the Apache service. Now switch your browser and enter your host name. This is the welcome page of Drupal CMS. Here choose your language. Select the installation profile. Here configure the database. Click save and continue. The CMS is installing. Installation process is completed. Now configure the site. Here create an admin account. Now click save and continue. This is the dashboard of Drupal CMS. This is the method how to install Drupal CMS on Linux Mint 20. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.